Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Salesforce for customer data management, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin using Salesforce for customer data management, first, log into your Salesforce account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Setup menu located in the upper right corner. In the Setup menu, use the Quick Find box to search for objects and fields. Click on Object Manager to view all available objects. Select the object that corresponds to the type of customer data you wish to manage, such as contacts or accounts. Next, review the field. If you need to add new fields, click on Fields and Relationships and then select New. Choose the field type that best suits the data you want to capture. Once finished, ensure you save your changes before returning to the object details. To manage customer data, navigate to the App Launcher and select Sales. In the Sales app, click on Contacts to view your existing customer data. To add a new customer, click on the New button located near the top of the Contacts page. For existing customers, use the search bar to find their record quickly. Once you locate the customer, click on their name to view or edit their details. You can also relate customers to various other records, including opportunities and cases, by using the Related Lists section. To update any customer data, click the Edit button on their record, make your adjustments, and save the changes. To segment your customers, utilize Salesforce reports and dashboards. Navigate to the Reports tab and create a new report based on your chosen parameters. This will allow you to analyze customer data effectively. For further customization, explore the Dashboards section to visualize key metrics and trends. Always ensure that you comply with data protection regulations when managing customer data. Regularly review and cleanse your data to maintain its accuracy and relevance. Use Salesforce's data import and export tools to migrate large volumes of customer data when necessary. To integrate with other systems, consider using Salesforce's AppExchange for third-party applications. Utilizing Salesforce's mobile app can also facilitate customer data management on the go. By following these steps, you can effectively use Salesforce for comprehensive customer data management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.